Can you bring cologne on a plane? You can definitely bring cologne on a plane, but there are a few key guidelines to follow depending on whether you pack it in your carry-on or checked luggage. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, enforces the 311 rule for liquids, gels, and aerosols in carry-on bags, which includes cologne. This means each cologne container must be 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters or less. And all the containers must fit comfortably within one clear, quart-sized, sealable plastic bag. Larger cologne bottles are permitted in checked luggage, but there are limitations here as well. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, restricts the total quantity of liquids and aerosols to 2 liters, 68 fluid ounces per person, with no single container exceeding 18 ounces, 500 milliliters. Cologne in checked luggage should also be packed securely to prevent breakage and potential leaks. To avoid any confusion or last-minute scrambling, it's always recommended to check the TSA website or app for the latest regulations before you pack. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.